Hey, what's going on, guys? Remember to wear your masks. Today we're going to be taking a look at this product from DIGDIY, the true wireless earbuds. Now these have a active noise cancellation feature, 4 mics, passive noise cancellation on here. Shout out to them for sending these out. I definitely appreciate that. Now these are the D10 models. This is supposed to be the true wireless earbuds. It does say true. That's just a typo there, but really good packaging here as far as the specs are listed here. Bluetooth 5.0, 10 hours with the NFC off. 10 hours NFC, 10 hours with the ANC off, and 8 hours with it on. And then with the case you get 24 hours on, and with the case off you get 30 hours. So I'm going to be testing out the mics in this video. I'm going to be testing out the sound quality outdoors, all the features about these headphones to let you know if they're really worth it. But let's take a look at the unboxing experience right now, and stay tuned for the next part of the video, which we're probably going to be testing out the song quality, the sound quality, and everything of that nature. We're going to be testing out all the features as well, pass through, active noise cancellation, things of that nature. You can see we have a pull tab right here. Let's go ahead, pull that. Okay, so we have the branding on here, DIGDIY, I think it's called. But you can see right here we do have the pamphlet, and we're gonna get into all the features of these. What you do get inside is warranty information, quick operation guides, the user manual. So already I could tell these look really good. They're gonna have wireless charging, case, hold for 2 seconds, and you can activate the ANC mode and transparency mode on these. Right here it does say. We're gonna try that out, but other than that, we're gonna test out all the other features on these. They do have an option here where you can, reset them, things of that nature. So there's some instructions in here. It tells you how to operate them. I'm gonna try to figure. Now when you open the case, you can see the DIGDIY. So these are the DIGDIY. They have tape on the front of the earbuds. Let's get that off, pair these right away. But right here you can see the earbuds look really good. Kind of look like the AirPods Pros. I'm not gonna lie, they have a nice familiar shape to it. The stem looks, very familiar. Tape all around it, so you can see we have 4 mics on these. I could see the 2 right there on the outside. Now these are active noise cancellation earbuds, $60. The DIGDIY d10s. So these are gonna have active noise cancellation, transparency modes, 4 microphones as well for taking phone calls. They're also sweat resistant. And one of the cool things about these is that they do offer you the wireless charging. So you can see that charging on there. So all of that for 60 bucks. Honestly, it's really cool. We did go over the unboxing experience. You get the Type-C cable. It takes 2 hours to charge them overall. You get Bluetooth with 5.0 as well. 30 hours with the ANC off with the case included. 24 with it on. The earbuds alone, you'll get 8 hours on a single charge with the ANC on, and with it off you'll get 10. Now these are some really good earbuds. Now they have some good bass at a low volume. I'm listening to the volume right now through transparency. I'm able to hear the music right now as I'm speaking. I'm able to hear the outdoor noise because it allows you, when you long hold here for 2 seconds, I just entered noise cancellation mode, so now I could barely hear my surrounding environment. Let me turn that back off. Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm connected to the D10s right now. Let me know how the microphones sound with the cars passing by and the wind noise. Now it's on the pass-through, so I'm able to hear much more clearly. I could even hear the street cars outside, which is crazy. Now it doesn't have like an electronic noise or hissing when the pass-through is on, which is good. And when the ANC mode is on, it literally cancels out noises around you. So I have a fan in my bathroom. I went in my bathroom, I turned the ANC on, and the fan disappeared in the bathroom. And it's a loud fan too, so These definitely have some really good ANC for the price point. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Now, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you sub to the channel for more videos just like this. But other things that I want to talk about is the range. Now the range is pretty good. You get about 10 meters on these, 33 feet. So I could pretty much span the entire length of my apartment without any drop-offs. Now, there's some good earbuds. Now, let's talk about the case on these. It's like this white matte material, which is really cool. You get these LED indicators on here. I am able to open this up and listen to one while the other one is charging on the left ear. I could do that with the right ear as well. So I think that's pretty cool. You can see right there. So the music continued to play, didn't even stop, which is cool. So a lot of people might want to know if these have any latency when you're gaming or watching movies. We're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna throw some YouTube on, but I didn't notice any real issues when it came to that. So let's watch a video real quick. But for things like movies, phone calls, and his lips are matching the words. Shout out to the Tech Ninja, but Kevin the Tech Ninja. But yeah, the lips match the words perfectly on these. I didn't run into anything that was really substantial. Now, when I did have these on standby, I did notice that the mics were constantly trying to reconnect to the earbuds. It kept saying disconnected and things of that nature. But when you pair it up, the voice does tell you that it's connected automatically. Now, when you long press right here for 2 seconds, you're gonna get the Google. What's the weather right now? So you get the Google or the Siri on the left side when you long press for 2 seconds. On the right side is how you activate your active noise cancellation and transparency modes. So I'm gonna play the music again. So that's how you would do that. Now the things I like about these, I just entered active noise cancellation. I can't hear anything right now, but when you tap once, it's gonna raise the volume. I don't know if you saw that. So that's really cool. Now, if you want to switch the song, you double tap. A double tap that pauses it. Triple tapping switches the song 1, 2, 3. And if you want to go back, you just do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Honestly, these have full control. Now let's talk about the bass quality. I'm gonna crank it up just a second, hold on, and put the active noise cancellation on. Okay, I just put the transparency mode. Let me put the active noise cancellation back on. All right, let me turn the volume all the way up. Ooh, all right, cool. Yeah, I really like these. The bass is gonna hit. I think the bass hits, and I think the volume hits as well for this price, $60. I think you're gonna be pretty surprised with what you get in your hand. You get this reset button on the back if you want to reset them as well. But quick pairing, fast charging with 2 hours, like I said before, 9 hours. 8 to 10 hours depending on if you have the ANC on or off. But I think these are a solid replacement for like the AirPods Pro or something like that. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll check you guys later. I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.